Self-filing challenges for military equipment imports. Welcome back to our Customs Brokerage series. In today's video, we will be discussing ISF 102 self-filing and the customs complexities for military equipment. If you're involved in the importation of military equipment and want to understand the unique considerations and challenges, this video is for you. Let's dive right in. When it comes to the importation of military equipment, understanding ISF 102 self-filing is crucial. ISF 102 is a specialized form that provides additional details about the military equipment being imported. It includes information such as the type of equipment, technical specifications, serial numbers, and country of origin. Importing military equipment requires specialized licensing and permits. It's important to verify and obtain the necessary licenses and permits before importing any military equipment. These may include licenses from the U.S. Department of State, the U.S. Department of Defense, or other relevant government agencies. Compliance with all licensing requirements is essential. Working with a licensed customs broker who has expertise in military equipment imports is highly recommended. The customs broker can provide guidance on the specific requirements, help complete the ISF 102 form accurately, and navigate the complex customs regulations and processes associated with the importation of military equipment. Compliance with International Traffic in Arms Regulations, ITAR, is integral to the importation of military equipment. ITAR controls the export and import of defense-related items, including military equipment. Ensure that you are familiar with ITAR requirements, obtain the necessary licenses, and maintain compliance with all ITAR regulations throughout the import process. Clearance of military equipment imports involves coordination with various government agencies. This may include the U.S. Department of Defense, the U.S. Department of State, and customs authorities. Timely communication and collaboration with these agencies are essential to ensure a smooth customs clearance process and compliance with all applicable requirements. Accurate documentation is critical when importing military equipment. Ensure that the commercial invoice and all accompanying documents, such as packing lists and certificates of origin, are complete and accurate. This documentation must provide detailed information about the military equipment being imported, including model numbers, serial numbers, and detailed descriptions. Proper classification of military equipment using the correct harmonized system, HS, codes is essential. HS codes are used to determine duty rates and other customs requirements. Verify the appropriate HS codes for each type of military equipment being imported. Accuracy in classification ensures proper compliance with customs regulations. Military equipment may include sensitive technology that requires additional compliance with U.S. government regulations. Some military equipment items may fall under the jurisdiction of the U.S. Department of Commerce's Export Administration Regulations, EAR. Ensure that you are knowledgeable about these regulations and comply with all applicable requirements for sensitive military technology. Importing military equipment often requires the acquisition of a customs bond. A customs bond acts as a financial guarantee to ensure the payment of duties, taxes, and compliance with all customs regulations. Work closely with your customs broker to obtain the appropriate customs bond for your military equipment imports. The transportation of military equipment requires a secure supply chain. Coordinate with freight forwarders and logistics providers that specialize in handling sensitive and high-value cargo. Implement security measures to safeguard the equipment during transportation, ensuring its integrity and confidentiality throughout the supply chain. Military equipment imports may be subject to additional security requirements. These can include detailed cargo manifests, advance notification to customs authorities, or specific security protocols. Stay informed about these requirements and ensure compliance to prevent delays or issues during the customs clearance process. Maintaining accurate records and compliance documentation is vital for military equipment imports. Keep copies of all relevant documents, such as the ISF 102 form, licenses, permits, commercial invoices, and certificates of origin. These records provide an audit trail and may be required for customs purposes or future compliance audits. Coordinating with specialized service providers is crucial for military equipment imports. Work with professionals experienced in handling such high-security shipments, including specialized customs brokers, freight forwarders, and security experts. These experts understand the unique requirements and can provide guidance to ensure compliance and the smooth transportation of military equipment. Open communication with your customs broker and other stakeholders involved in the military equipment import process is essential. Maintain regular contact to stay updated on the progress, address any emerging issues, and ensure timely coordination. Effective communication fosters collaboration and minimizes the risk of any misunderstandings or delays. Familiarize yourself with the regulations of the Office of Foreign Assets Control, OFAC, concerning military equipment imports. OFAC administers and enforces economic and trade sanctions that may impact the importation of military goods. Understanding and complying with these regulations is vital to avoid any violations or penalties. Conduct due diligence to verify the end-use and end-user requirements associated with military equipment imports. Some military equipment may have restrictions or conditions regarding the purpose or recipient of the equipment. Ensure that your transaction aligns with the authorized end-use and end-user to ensure compliance with regulations. Staying updated on changes in regulations and policies related to military equipment imports is crucial. Customs laws, export control regulations, and security requirements can evolve. Regularly check for updates from regulatory authorities, consult with your customs broker or legal experts, and engage with industry resources to stay informed and maintain compliance. Military equipment imports often involve specific reporting requirements. Understand and comply with reporting obligations, which can include reporting certain information, such as quantity, value, and destination, to the relevant authorities. Timely and accurate reporting helps maintain compliance and facilitates effective oversight of military equipment imports. Given the complexities surrounding military equipment imports, seeking expert advice from customs brokers or legal professionals is highly recommended. They possess the expertise to navigate customs requirements, provide guidance on compliance, assist in obtaining necessary licenses and permits, and help address any customs complexities specific to military equipment imports. And there you have it. An overview of ISF 102 self-filing and customs complexities for military equipment imports. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on customs brokerage and international trade. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.